And next up is my friend Allie with something else that's very yummy. Hi, Allie.
Hi, Mary. Thanks so much. Boy, do those cookies look good. Hi, and welcome, everyone. I am so excited to share what we've got for you today, our Bare Life Coconut Hot Chocolate Mix, dairy-free, gluten-free, organic, and delicious. It's item number M67975. We've got a great price for you today. Oh, just over $31 and some change, always free shipping. We got this delicious treat for you, perfect as the weather gets a little bit colder. I mean, I can't think of anything better as the weather changes, as to warm up with some delicious hot chocolate. And this is a QVC exclusive configuration for you. We got 20 single serving packets. That's 20 packets, 20 servings of hot chocolate. The packets are amazingly cute, EPA free, recyclable, and delicious. So easy to use. And like I said, when you're curling up as the weather gets colder, you're going to curl up with your blanket and book. I can't think of anything better than having a great cup of delicious hot chocolate with you. I mean, you deserve a treat, and it's honestly my favorite way to unwind. And you can get that treat right by going to QVC.com or giving us a call. And we got this QVC exclusive free shipping for you. And you know what's my favorite thing about this treat? It's a treat, but there is no guilt because it's just made with 5 clean ingredients. Just coconut milk powder, organic coconut sugar, organic cacao, Himalayan salt, and ground vanilla. That's it. And guess what? Each cup, each delicious mugful is just 125 calories. That's it. It's actually lower in both calories and sugar than other hot chocolates on the market, but it doesn't taste like it. It's absolutely delicious, and it's just sweetened with coconut sugar as well. And what's so great about coconut sugar is that it's actually a pretty unique sugar. It can have less of an impact on your blood sugar than other sugars. And unlike harmful artificial sweeteners, which are not in our product, coconut sugar has a great flavor. It adds kind of a caramely, almost brown sugar like flavor to our hot chocolate, which is absolutely delicious. No bad aftertaste, unlike stevia, just pure deliciousness. And I have to tell you, my favorite part about our hot chocolate, it is so easy to make. As simple as one, two, three. Just pour, mix, and enjoy. That's it. Just pour your hot water. That's all you need, hot water. Look at that. Oh, I love how it just dissolves right in there. You got a rich chocolatey cup. And then you just mix it up. Ooh, look at that. Mix dissolves so well instantly in your cup. Oh, oh my gosh, that smell is amazing. So just 3 simple steps as you saw, just pour, mix like I'm doing, and enjoy. Oh, that hot chocolate's amazing. Have a quick sip. Mm. Oh gosh, that is so good. I wish that you could just come through the TV and enjoy this treat with me. It is amazing. I mean, really just simple and delicious. It kind of tastes like, I want to say like a melty Mounds bar, if you will. It is, oh, so good. Honestly, it smells incredible. And really, I love how simple it is because who has time for anything more complicated? In your busy life, you don't need a hassle, you don't need anything that's a hassle. You should be able to have a better for you treat that is simple and easy. And that's what our dairy-free coconut hot chocolate is. And actually, between you and I wasn't even a fan of coconut when I was younger until I tried this. And it turns out I wasn't a fan of artificial coconut, which, of course, there is nothing artificial in this hot chocolate. There is no artificial flavoring, just real ingredients for you and your family this season. And now, when you hear just add water, sometimes you think, how good can this really be? And you know what the secret is? The secret is our high quality ingredients that we've carefully and sustainably taken the time to source and create a delicious treat for you. Take our organic coconut milk powder, for example. It is so full of good fats for you. It is amazing. It gives you that nice, rich flavor in your hot chocolate. You've also got our organic cocoa powder, our organic cacao powder, which is sourced from Ecuador, which is widely considered to be home of the best chocolate in the world. So you're getting the best in your mug right here for you. And that the difference between cacao powder and chocolate powder actually is our cacao powder is less processed than cocoa powder and retains more of the delicious nutrients from the plant than a cocoa powder would. So again, just real great ingredients in here, just like our pure coconut sugar, our pure Himalayan salt that's also in here, and our fifth and last ingredient, remember, just 5 clean ingredients in this delicious dairy-free plant-based hot cocoa is our organic vanilla. And this vanilla, this is not, ooh, I'm gonna try this again. Mm, it's so good. I'm just gonna stop and enjoy this. Oh, really, the flavor just coats your mouth. It is the perfect balance of chocolate with just a hint of coconut. And you can really taste that rich vanilla in here because that vanilla is no artificial flavoring, no natural flavoring. It is just pure ground, high quality vanilla beans. You've probably seen the vanilla beans at the grocery store, those long, thin pods. That's exactly what's in here, just ground up, put in your hot chocolate for you, along with our high quality ingredients to make a absolutely astoundingly delicious treat that again is so simple to make just with hot water. And again, that's item number M67975. Pick yours up today. We're featuring today our 4 easy payments, debut for about $7 and change for 4 easy payments. Again, this is 20 packets, 20 single serving packets in here. That's 20 servings of hot chocolate. Absolutely delicious, dairy free, gluten free, amazing, with free shipping. And plus, our team gets these out to you quickly. Most orders are shipping within 24 hours. So you're not going to have to wait long to be enjoying this delicious treat with me. Ooh, so good. And the best part is these packets, these single serving packets that come in your QVC exclusive single serving box of our gourmet hot chocolate, these packets are so easy to enjoy on the go. I am always putting them in my bag or in my suitcase when I'm traveling. And as we enter holiday season, which I cannot believe we are already at holiday season, it's absolutely the time is flying by. But as we enter holiday season, these make amazing gifts because they're so unique and they're delicious. You can just throw some single serving packets in a stocking stuffer, or if you have a holiday bag or basket that you're making for someone, just put those packets in there and they've got a delicious, unique treat that they are going to thank you for because not only is it amazing, it's better for you. Now, you might be wondering, how did we come up with this hot chocolate? This amazing plant-based, dairy-free hot chocolate that is. It was actually started from my health journey. I was not feeling so well and my doctors told me to get rid of dairy and refined sugar and gluten and like 10 other things. And I was like, okay, uh, what am I going to eat? What is left? I mean, I'm such a huge foodie and I've always had such a big sweet tooth that I had no idea what I was going to do. I mean, some of my favorite childhood memories were after I was playing outside, coming inside and enjoying some delicious hot chocolate with my little sister. I mean, how could I give that up? I couldn't. And that's why and how I created Bare Life's coconut hot chocolate, dairy free, gluten free. Again, amazing. I'm actually going to have another sip right here. Ooh. Mm. And I can't even emphasize enough how rich that is with the hot chocolate. I mean, just with water, it is so thick. It's like literally coating my mouth right now. It's amazing, that great balance of just chocolate and coconut. It is wonderful. And I just didn't want to miss out on anything. And now you don't have to miss out on anything too with our great, clean hot chocolate treat that is going to be amazing for you and your family. And in addition to not missing out on things, you know what else you're not going to miss out on? All of our recipes. With our hot chocolate, you get more than just hot chocolate. You get about, if you go on QVC.com, you can see about 20 of our recipes there. That's 20 different recipes that you can make with just one item. Our dairy free coconut hot chocolate, absolutely delicious. And honestly, it doesn't even taste like it's dairy free. It is so good. It's amazing. Just like real hot chocolate, but better for you. Now back to our recipes. One of my favorite recipes is our hot cocoa French toast bake. I'm going to hold it up for you. It is so good. It is an absolute crowd pleaser. Now, one of the great things about this recipe is that during the holidays, especially Thanksgiving, it's coming up soon. Again, I cannot believe it. We always have so many people at our house coming for Thanksgiving, and everyone likes something different. You can make this great breakfast to treat everyone in the morning, and then they can customize it to their however they like, put their own toppings, put strawberries on, blueberries, whatever they like. You can make it with our hot cocoa French toast bake. Again, coming from our amazing Bare Life coconut hot chocolate, plant-based, dairy-free, delicious. One of our favorite recipes is our smoothie, our hot cocoa smoothie. Can you imagine this? Hot chocolate in the morning. Sign me up. I have this every morning. It just really creates a rich smoothie that actually keeps me fuller longer. It is so good. And I actually heard from one of our customers that they used to they hide veggies for their kids in their hot chocolate smoothie because all you have is great hot chocolate. And now we've got so many recipes. We've even got a mocha. You can put it in your coffee in the morning. Just open up a single serving packet, put it in your coffee. Rich instant mocha. Again, we've got 20 recipes. Check them all out. They are absolutely amazing. Again, this is item number M67975, 20 single serving packets, 2-year shelf life, although it won't last that long. And you want to kick off hot chocolate season the right way with our hot chocolate this year. And I'm going to toss you off to Ralph and enjoy. So great being with you today. Hi, Ralph.
Hey.